Hello, gentles and ladies. What a nice day today. My name is HyeongJin.
And my name is SeongJoon.
As you know, today we have a group presentation, right? Yes. So we prepared our topic, chemical and biomolecular engineering part. Please listen to our presentation carefully and please register our major. Okay, let's start. Before I start, let me ask you one question. Can you find out our topic at the first page? Please raise your hand and answer. Okay, you. Yes, read it.
Safety energy, safety earth.
Okay, that's correct. As you see in the screen, the topic is safety energy, so safety earth. So please remember this topic while you're listening. Okay, here are the contents. At first, in introduction, I will talk about what is chemical engineering means. And then I will show you our 3 ways of purposes. Because we are going to talk about energy issue, I will show some issues of energy. And then SeongJoon will talk about the projects of energy in 2 ways. The first way is new and renewable energy. And second way is fusion energy. And at the end of our presentation, he will make conclusion of our presentation. And we will get some Q&A time. Okay, so what is chemical engineering? In chemical engineering, scientists apply chemical principle to produce the life products. So its aim is to study efficient way to apply chemical technology to the life science. However, we still have questions about this major, isn't it? Yeah, no? It is just in my case. Okay, in my case, I have 2 questions. The first question, what is the difference between chemical and chemical engineering? Distinguishing in these 2 parts is really easy. In chemical major, they study about only the principle. So their aim is to improve the principle of chemistry. But on the other hand, in chemical engineering, the aim is different. As I told you before, its aim is applying the principle to the life science. So, principle versus life science. The difference is apparent. And second question, why biomolecular is added in its name? This is because we also study about biotechnology. Studying in variable ways makes us to improve more abundant technology. And here are 3 purposes of our major. The first is biotechnology, and second, material science. And this is not limited to only the material. Third, environment and energy. You can find out what part we are going to say, the last part. We are going to say about environment and energy part. Have you heard about nuclear accident? Please raise your hand who have heard about nuclear accident. Yes, a lot of people have heard about nuclear accident. If you heard about this word, you might think about Japan. Yeah, nuclear energy is really efficient energy, but it has a lot of danger problems. In addition, we also have the lack of energy problems. So, in our major, we are trying to solve these problems by developing technology in energy. So from now on, SeongJoon will talk about the projects in energy.
The first effort to solve the lack of energy is developing the new and renewable energy. Let me show you some universal examples. Hydrogen energy and fuel cell are the new energy. That means literally new energy. Then solar, wind, and bioenergy are the renewable energy that can be called green energy, which means that there is no waste destroying environment. Maybe you heard these things many times, so I will introduce an interesting new energy. It's called SSPS. SSPS is the abbreviation of Space Solar Power System, which gathers solar power in space directly. There is few obstacles in space, such as cloud, so the gathered energy per time in space is about 10 times greater than that in Earth. However, there is just one big problem in SSPS. It is difficult to commercialize SSPS nowadays because of technological problem. Scientists say you can see this easily when you're 50s. Next, I will show you an interesting instance of renewable energy. Actually, this is just using solar power, but it is a system that is more efficient than the previous one. It is called solar power tower. Simply explaining the principle, build a center tower and mirrors surrounding it to reflect light to the tower, so the gathered energy per area become very great. The second effort to solve the lack of energy is fusion. It is impossible to solve it by only one major field, so joint research is the trend nowadays, and most joint research needs chemical engineering. For understanding easily, I will use two examples from movies. Is there anyone who didn't watch Iron Man? In Iron Man, the main character, Tony Stark, same as Iron Man, has a glittering thing on his heart. That is nuclear fusion reactor, which is main energy source of him. In the movie, Tony made it alone, but in real life, there is no that genius human. Actually, various field experts should research together with chemical engineering and mechanical engineering as the center. In another movie, Spider-Man, a quite important character who uses nuclear fusion as the main energy source, appeared too. His name is Dr. Octopus. The method he used is just possible in movie, but we can see that nuclear fusion is very powerful. Although I gave examples in movies, nuclear fusion will occupy a huge part of future energy. So including chemical engineering, various field experts are doing research for it. For closing our presentation, I will show you a short video associated with environment. If human can solve the lack of energy eco-friendly, your family can be cool in summer and warm in winter without worrying about environment and cost. If you want to be a good son or daughter, come to CBE.